I apologize, but there is no such bird as a flaming bird. It is possible that you might be referring to the mythical creature known as the phoenix, often associated with fire and rebirth. The phoenix is a legendary bird found in various cultures and mythologies. According to ancient tales, the phoenix has the ability to be consumed by flames and rise from its own ashes, symbolizing renewal and immortality. Its majestic appearance, with brilliant feathers of red, gold, and orange, adds to the allure of this mythical creature. While the phoenix is not a real bird, its enduring presence in folklore and art throughout history has made it a fascinating symbol of hope and transformation. Its stories continue to inspire people with the idea of rising above challenges and starting anew, much like the phoenix's legendary rebirth from the ashes.